Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Ayan, so malinis na yung chicken natin. So tapos na tayong naggayat sa mga kailangan natin. So ngayon guys, mag-start na tayo magluto. Yan, lagyan lang natin ng konting oil kasi gisa-gisa natin yung onion. Ayan. Gisa lang saglit yung onion. Tsaka sunod natin yung ginger. Ayan, gisa-gisa lang. Then yung garlic. Yan, paghalo-haloin lang dyan. So ngayon guys, time na i-add mo si chicken. Ayan. Yan. Gisa-gisa lang natin yung chicken. Yan, paghaluin lang. Yan, gisa-gisa lang. So, this time guys, lagyan natin ng brown paper. Yan, at saka chicken powder. Yan, paghaluin lang. Ayan, baliktarin lang natin yung chicken na yung ginaano sa para maluto siya lahat. Ayan. So, this time guys, pag Bicol Express, hindi mawala yung bagoong alamang. So, yan. Lagyan natin ng 1 tablespoon. So, depende rin sa iyo kung ano. Pwede rin 2 tablespoon na bagoong, pero sa akin isa lang. So, yan guys, medyo mabango na siya. Yan, so this time i-add natin si coconut milk. Yan. Add na natin si coconut milk. Yan, paghaluin lang guys. Yan, so, yan, nakasimmer siya na. So, check natin. Yan. Paghaluin lang. Yan. So, this time guys, saka ko pa ilalagay yung red chili. Kasi pwede rin kayong maglagay before yung i-fry mo yung chicken na wala pang coconut milk. Pwede rin kayo doon O yan, luto na, ready to serve. Kainan na. Yan, ang sarap. Wow! Hey guys, tikman na natin yung niluto natin na chicken Bicol Express. Ayan. Kain na guys. Tikman na natin. Sarap nito. Manghang siya konti. Ayan. Kain. Ayan. Maraming chicken. Ayan. Ang sarap guys. Yes, sa kanin. Makadami ako nito. Sarap guys. Kasi medyo late na yung lunch ko guys, so yeah. Kang gutom. Kaya madali lang siyang gawin, guys. Sarap. Kaya magluto din kayo sa bahay, guys. Very friendly budget naman ito. Yung chicken lang at saka yung gata. Yun lang, saka sili. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and click na din sa notification